Good morning. Welcome to the Beverly Hills Public Library. The library is currently closed, but that does not mean we can't share our favorite stories and crafts. Today, I'm reading Beach Day by Patricia Lacken, pictures by Scott Nash. Book by Dial Books. Hot, said Sam. Sunny, said Pam. Sweaty, said Will. Swim, said Jill. Beach, said Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill. Swimsuit, said Sam. Sun hats, said Pam. Sunblock, said Will. Sunglasses, said Jill. We're off, said Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill. Look, said Sam. A park, said Pam. With swings, said Will. And slides, said Jill. Let's play, said Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill. To the beach, said Sam. Which way, said Pam. Left, said Will. Right, said Jill. Lost, sighed Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill. They pedaled up. They pedaled down. They looked for beach signs all around. They pedaled under. They pedaled over. They pedaled in a field of clover. Picnic, said Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill. Sandwich, said Sam. Pasta, said Pam. Pickles, said Will. Burp, said Jill. Nap time, said Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill. They slept past 1. They slept past 2. They slept past 3. They slept past 4. Let's go, said Sam. But where? Said Pam. Over there, said Will. That hill, said Jill. Push, said Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill. Sand, said Sam. Water, said Pam. Waves, said Will. Gulls, said Jill. Beach, said Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill. No umbrella, said Sam. No snack bar, said Pam. No chairs, said Will. No people, said Jill. No sun, cried Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill. Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill looked up. Then Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill smiled. And they swam by the light of the moon. The end.